What's up, everybody? It is Cash Flow Nexus, your favorite chart analyst, giving you the latest and greatest updates on crypto and XRP. And today we're going to be looking at some news that is going to potentially affect the entire crypto space and our favorite cryptocurrency on this channel, XRP. So if you're new to this channel, you like what you see and you like what you hear, feel free to comment, subscribe, drop a like button, and show the love, baby, show the love. And I appreciate you guys for tuning in today. And for my current members on this channel, subscribers, I don't even want to call y'all subscribers. Y'all more like family here. I appreciate you guys. You know how we do. We always want to acknowledge Jesus Christ before we get started. So, you guys, I just want to say, if you don't have Jesus in your life already, get you some Jesus in your life because he is good. And I just finished doing a Bible study. I just, talked about knowing who labors among you, knowing who your friends are, knowing who's true in your life, and knowing if someone has good intentions towards you. So check out the Bible study. I'm going to post it in the description section where you could check it out if you want to. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I urge you to check it out because I believe it's going to help some of you guys and some of you ladies recognize who your true friends are and recognize who's for you and who's against you. So definitely check that Bible study out. All right. Other than that, let's jump into what we have today. If you guys have a Facebook page or have a Facebook, check out the Facebook group on it's called Cash Flow Nexus XRP Crypto News Updates, Technical Analysis, and more. Check it out. I just made this group last week or so, and it's already growing. We're already at 126 members. So I love it that we're growing, and I appreciate people supporting what I'm doing here in the crypto space. It's been a journey, but it is what it is, and we're just going to continue to grow. So let's move forward. I do have some news that I want to get into for you guys today, and state my opinion and what I think is going to do for the crypto space. But let's take a look at what the market's looking like right now. So the market's red right now. As you know, tonight I want you guys to tune into the live stream. So if you guys are not subscribed, subscribe right now so y'all can get that notification for the live stream tonight. I'm trying to have inform you guys on technical analysis on what XRP is doing. I said on my last video for XRP that it's going to be consolidating the prices, and you see prices are consolidating. That's why the market's going green and red, green and red. You see Bitcoin, is still dominating the market, which is no surprise. 60% dominance, sitting at 10K.661, and has like a small drop today, 0.59% drop today. That's not too bad. Our favorite one, XRP, that's sitting at 23 cents, 869, and had a negative drop of 0.96%. And then Ethereum is sitting at $355.48, had a drop of 0.6%. So not too bad for the market. It's not like a terrible drop. Tonight, if you do tune into the live stream, I will go into detail where I think the market's heading and where the market could go in the next, few months to next few years. So tune into the live stream tonight, and I'm going to go into the news that we're going to look at right now. So Israel wants to recognize Bitcoin as a currency. So anybody that knows when it comes to cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is always going to be the one that people always look at first because that's the main coin that drives the market because it has the most dominance. And now, since Bitcoin is now being recognized by the Israel government, this is giving other crypto assets the ability to get attention as well in the whole space. So you see here, so the government of Israel is working on a new bill to change Bitcoin's status from asset to currency. So I wouldn't say Bitcoin's an asset just because Bitcoin doesn't have any real use case. But at the end of the day, if you're looking at it like a commodity like gold, then yeah, you could see that Bitcoin may have a use case in that that scenario. But it's not eco-friendly, and it's not good at transactions. it uses too much energy. So I don't know how long Bitcoin will last as far as them keeping it, but this is a step in the doorway for cryptos to be all regulated and all looked at as currency in the future. So this is a good step that Israel's taking, and it's to be expected. So reading the article, it says the bill was tabled by 4 of the members of the Nationalist Party. I'm not even going to try to say that name. That name is looking crazy, but Y, I'm going to just call him Y. And its aim is to regulate the taxation on digital currency activities. At present, the sale of Bitcoin is subject to a 25% capital gains tax. Quite a heavy tax, but they always want to get their money. Anybody that's involved in finance knows taxes can hurt when you make investments, especially if you don't do the due diligence to look at how it's going to affect you when you do get hit with those taxes. Well, we might want to ask Donald Trump, and if you could get lower taxes, why not? So if there's a loophole, take it. I don't blame you. It's not wrong. It's not against the law, so take it. But reading on, the aim of the proposal is to add a section to the income tax decree, according to which the cryptocurrencies are classified as distributed digital currencies. According to the bill, it is stipulated that a distributed digital currency is a currency in connection where there are facts such as, and then it goes into detail what it's saying here, and I'll highlight that for y'all to look at. So it's just one step closer to full adoption, for everybody to start accepting cryptocurrencies as currencies and digital assets or commodities, whatever they deem it. So it's just another step forward into the crypto space, and it's only a matter of time before it starts going further. But look here at the end, there's a statement at the bottom that says the state of Israel has the ability to be among the leaders in digital currencies if only recognizes the use of blockchain as a currency for everything. Now, what caught my attention here is in digital currencies, if it only recognizes the use of the blockchain as a currency for everything. So if you know here that XRP, it might not be saying anything about XRP, but we know XRP is the currency that wants to bridge all currencies. So in the future, this, Bitcoin being, having the spotlight now may open doors for XRP, and it's the currency that will be used for everything: transactions, cross-border payments, liquidity. It's only a matter of time before XRP gets known for what it's supposed to be doing. So don't get too caught up in what's going on as far as news. Pay attention to some details here and there, and then piece it together and think at the bigger picture of what's trying to be done here. Everybody knows XRP is going to be the Amazon of cryptocurrency. So why you have doubt? Focus on the bigger picture. Now, this is what I want to really get into, because this happened last night during the debate. The debate was a smokescreen for what happened and what just got passed yesterday, and a lot of people did not even know that this was snuck underneath the rug, underneath everybody's eyes. So it says here, U.S. lawmakers just passed a crypto bill. Here's what's in it. And it goes into detail, saying the Digital Taxonomy Act and Blockchain Innovation Act snuck through the House as part of the Consumer Safety Technology Act. So this is interesting. This is very interesting. So in brief, it's saying the Digital Taxonomy Act and Blockchain Innovation Act were rolled into a third bill, the Consumer Safety Technology Act. And then it says the bill was approved by the House of Representatives today. Y'all, that is huge. The House of Representatives approved the bill last night as the debates were going. Everybody has a smoke screen. The debate was a smoke screen for us to not pay attention. So it's only a matter of time. And it says the bill focuses on the consumer protection, both in protecting the public against token scams and harnessing blockchain to stop fraud. and Bitcoin. So yeah, I'm just playing. But it's only a matter of time, you guys. And then look at here, talking about it even more. And the acts were rolled up into the Consumer Safety Technology Act, HR 8128, a bill directing the Consumer Product Safety Commission to explore application for AI. Earlier this month, if passed, the bill would take steps toward protecting the public against scammy projects while using blockchain to fight fraud. Now, remember, I want to say something because this is very interesting because there's a lot of crypto projects that nobody really knows about. There's at least 6,000 to 7,000 crypto projects. If you really do the research, there's a lot of projects out there. What project's going to make it? What project's going to last? And if you watched my video the other day, how I explained that XRP could hit a potential 50K, and a lot of people think I'm crazy for it, but whatever, who cares? I want to make a point. So you see how it said if this bill passes, it protects the public against scammy projects, right? That would mean all the crypto projects would have to comply. So that would mean most of these projects, like Brad Garlinghouse said, which is interesting because he might know something, 90% of these cryptocurrencies might fall out, which would drop the value and drop the market cap will be the same, but a lot of crypto projects will disappear, saying like, let's say 10 cryptos survive, let's say 10 to 20 survive. Where's that money going? That money is going to go into the assets that have use case, utility, cause liquidity, and XRP is positioned for this. And this is why I really believe XRP is going to make big numbers in the future. This stuff has to be laid out for us to reap what we sow. And we planted our seeds. It's about to be the time where we could take advantage. And take advantage of when this all blows up. So imagine if all these crypto projects fail and all that money is going to go into other assets. XRP is definitely going to be one of them because it's lowly priced. That's only going to further boost the price, and the demand for it's going to increase even more. So guys, it's only a matter of time before XRP starts taking off. Everything was a smokescreen. Now we got the real deal happening right in front of us, you guys. Just hold. It's coming. And reading forward here, the Digital Taxonomy Act directs the Federal Trade Commission, a consumer protection agency, to train up staff and allocate resources to identify and guard against deceptive acts or practices involving digital tokens. So just imagine some of those, like I said, some of those cryptocurrencies, the other projects, those 6,000, 7,000 projects out there that are going to be labeled as fraud. They're gone. They're not going to be used anymore. It's going to be a market that's going to see some ridiculous numbers, ridiculous wealth transfer, ridiculous change. So expect it. And then here it goes. It further mandates the agency to produce a report for the House Committee on Energy and Commerce, as well as its Senate counterpart, the Committee on Commerce, Science, and Transportation, detailing its efforts to fight such deception and outlining actions it has taken. The Act frames digital tokens and blockchain as important for American innovation, and it asks the FTC for recommendations to ensure the U.S. remains competitive while limiting abuse. You guys, just keep waiting, you guys. It is right around the corner. It is literally right around the corner. And to finish this off, let me go down here. Let's see. All right. And reading from down here all the way down, it asks the Secretary to determine the best practices in facilitating public-private partnerships in blockchain technology and ways in which greater regulatory clarity would encourage domestic innovation. Blockchain technology has an incredible amount of potential for innovation and economic growth, says Soto. I believe our government needs to support that growth, establish light touch regulation to ensure certainty, protect innovation, stop fraud, and enable its appropriate use for government, business, and consumers. Blockchain and cryptocurrency bills have had a tough time getting through Congress, Darren Soto, a co-chair of the Congress Blockchain Caucus, has introduced or co-sponsored multiple bills pertaining to the digital assets. He co-sponsored two bills last week, the Digital Commodity Exchange Act and the Security Clarity Act. Guys, it's only a matter of time. Just keep holding. Be vigilant. Don't get discouraged. Hold on to your assets and let's make this crypto money, baby. Let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys on tonight's live stream at 8 p.m. Central Time. 8 p.m. Central Time. So, if you are Eastern Time, check up with the time frame, or just subscribe and get notification on, and hit that bell for notifications on when that live stream starts. So I appreciate you guys for joining in and tuning in. It's only a matter of time. Just wait. We're about to be millionaires and billionaires in the making, baby. And keep holding. God bless you guys. Stay tuned for the next, and peace.